Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. It's been like 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago nung huli ako mag-upload ng video. But this time around, I'm here, nagbabalik. And ayun, may gusto rin pala akong mga i-acknowledge ng mga tao na nag-encourage sa akin na mag-vlog ulit. Number 1, yung mama ko na bigla na lang ginising ako isang araw at sabing, "Anak, ikay mag-vlog ulit at ibibili kita ng camera." Siyempre, ang aking ever-supportive na best friend na binigyan pa niya ako ng regalo na eyeshadow palette na i-feature ko sa mga susunod kong video. Siyempre, bigay ng best friend ko. Friendship na si Gian na lagi ko kausap about sa mga gadgets, and more than that, nag-uusap kami about career and the things that we want to do in order for us to maximize the talent that God has given to us. Siyempre, ang aking boyfriend na ever supportive na kahit ano yata maisipan kong gawin ay sinusuportahan ako at ginaguide ako sa mga tamang pagdedesisyon sa buhay. And yun, today we're gonna talk about a very interesting topic for me and something that I learned outside YouTube and gusto kong i-share sa inyo. So without further ado, let's get started. How to turn your passion into a profession. So all the things that I will say, na-experience ko na sila and I was also able to earn from all of this. But in my case kasi, most of them usually are part-time ko lang ginawa. And because I also have a family business to manage, kaya yon. Number 1 is to learn how to do hair and makeup. I am a makeup artist for the past 6 years of my life. I started doing that when I was in college, and naalala ko pa nga na ako yung nagaya sa mga classmates ko during our graduation pictorial, and then nag-start yung journey ko as a makeup artist. And then nasundan na yun ng mga usually referrals and other events. Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, ginagawa ko talaga siya usually for free. Nung ma-discover ko sa sarili ko na, pwede itong maging source of extra income. Nag-start ako sa rate na 200 pesos. And yun, tumaas na siya ng tumaas. I started doing makeup gigs sa wedding. Kasi to be honest, dun yung pinakamalaki yung potential income. Because normally, pag si bride kumuha ng makeup artist, usually kasama na yung entourage. So, ikukunin nila yun sa'yo as package. And malaki yung babayaran nila. At least 10,000 based on my experience. So, ayun. If you're someone who loves makeup, then try to do it in other people. Naging masaya ka na that you're able to practice your craft and at the same time, mag-earn ka pa ng extra income. The second way is through sales. So, pwede dyan yung direct selling or retailing. Direct selling, dyan papasok sina Avon, Natasha, Color Collection, Sophie Paris. Yung concept na magdadala ka ng brochure to your potential client and then mag-order ka or mag-order sila and they can pay that in a span of a month. I find a supplier before they are selling makeup at a lower cost and then I retailed or sell that online. Also, na-try ko din na yung tito ng boyfriend ko who lives in California, nakisuyo ako sa kanila na i-ship yung makeup products to their house and then inintay ko na umuwi sila ng Pilipinas and sinabay nila sa balikbayan box nila yon. So, that I will always remember and thank you po, Tita Don, for that. So, it's very important for you na alamin muna yung mga maliliit na bagay before mo i-go sa isang malaking desisyon na kung saan gagastos ka ng malaking amount. Or if you're lucky enough, you can have your own makeup line like yung ginagawa ng mga celebrities ngayon. That's one dream that I also want to have in the future, which is to have my own makeup line. The last thing that I can share is to be an online influencer. So as I told you in my intro, dati na ako nag-YouTube way back 2014. And actually, naka-earn na rin ako ng small amount. Pero dahil nga hindi ko tinuloy-tuloy yung pag-upload ng video, ayun, inalis ni YouTube ang aking partnership with them. But, eto nga, nagbabalik na ako ngayon and I'm really inspired to do a lot of videos like this in the future. Kaya kung gusto niyo yung mga ganitong type of videos, guys, or if you have any requests, feel free na mag-comment down below. And yun, try natin yung gawin in the next videos. And hopefully, may natutunan kayo. And I'm really happy to be able to share what I did na nakatulong sa akin to have my extra income. And hopefully, kayo din, you go out of your comfort zone, and kung talagang passion nyo yung beauty-related or makeup or anything that will help you empower other women, you can try the things that I mentioned. And in my case, hopefully, makapag-focus ako sa isa sa mga yon because that's something that I really, really want and make my heart happy. So, ayun guys, thank you so much sa mga tumapos ng video na to. And hopefully, I will be able to see you in my next video. And if you want more, subscribe on my channel. And, yon, mag-usap ulit tayo sa sunod na video. Until next time, bye!